Hi, my name is Glenn from Agile Equipment, here to talk to you today about the AS650 air scrubber. There is no doubt the increase for demand in air filtration is everywhere. They are used to filter dust particulates and contaminants in mold remediation, water damage, and smoke damage. Additionally, offices, schools, industrial facilities, and universities have need of these machines to alleviate some health concerns for building occupants. The IAQ Pro AS650 can help with this. It can provide up to 650 CFM or 1100 cubic meters per hour of air and provide close to 6 air exchanges in an 80 square meter room at a standard ceiling height. It can remove contaminants such as mold spores and dust particulate with its primary and secondary filter, which is readily available in Australia and can be supplied through Agile Equipment. With its 1-inch pre-filter and its carbon filter, it can also remove odours caused by smoke. This can prove a very handy unit during the bushfire season in Australia. This unit uses 1 amp on any setting, which means you could run upwards of 15 units on the usual standard residential circuit in Australia. This unit can be used on a variety of different projects, such as water damage, fire damage, or mold-related damage. It can be used for crime scene cleanup, carpet removal. It can also be used for removal of smells related to paint, or any kind of other VOCs that you may be dealing with. The AS650 can be used on its low setting at 65 decibels and 70 decibels on its highest setting. This unit is amongst the lightest weight to performance in Australia, weighing at only 13 kilograms. They feature a rugged rotor mould, so it can be stored and moved from job to job easily. Changing the filters on the unit is simple. First, undo the latches on the side of the unit to open it up. With the correct PPE, remove the primary from the unit and place it into a thick UM plastic bag. Also remove and dispose of the pre-filter in the same way. Once removed, wipe down the internal and external surfaces of the machine. The new primary filter and pre-filter can now be installed. Make sure to use the internal latches to secure the pre-filter properly to the front portion of the unit. If you are dealing with odours or smoke, it would be best to install an additional carbon filter to the 1-inch pre-filter. If you would like to inquire about the AS650 air scrubber, feel free to give us a ring on 1300 092 647 or visit us on our website at agileequipment.com.au or iaqdirect.com.au. Thank you.